Hello children, welcome back. I hope you all have scored very well in your 10 marks test. Children, today onwards, we are starting with our new lesson. Children, do you know that at the time of our ancestors, when no proper measuring scale was present, people used to purchase the goods and products by measuring them with the vessels or by using their hands. When they used to purchase grains, they used to ask for a vessel full of grains, and if they want to buy a rope, they would ask for 4 hand size of rope. And footsteps were used for measuring distance. While using such a methods, no accurate quantity was calculated, and hence it resulted in loss for customers, as size used to vary from person to person. To avoid this loss due to measurements, man invented standard tools for measurement like centimeter, meter, kilometer, liter, gram, kilogram, etc. So, from today, we are starting our fourth lesson, that is long and short. In this chapter, we will mainly focus on distance calculating units such as centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. Children, you visit to various shops for purchasing things with your parents. You might have observed that there are various scales kept to measuring things in these shops. Weighing scale in grocery shop, length measuring meter scale in clothing store. In our book, Lali is selling things at her father's shop. A farmer comes to buy a rope. He asks, "Can you give me 7 arms of rope?" Lali counts, using her arms and hands, hand over the rope to the farmer. Farmer again counts the rope by using his arm, and he tells Lali that this rope is only 6 arms long. This happens due to difference in size of Lali's arm and farmer's arm. So, to improve her mistake, Lali says to farmer, "Why don't you measure your arm with this rope and take 7 times of that length?" So, the farmer measures his arm with the rope, and Lali gives him 7 times that much rope. Children, you measure your arm and your mother's arm at your home and see what is the difference. You will find that your arm is smaller than that of your mother's. Now come to page number 47. Here in this activity we have to count how many. In how many steps will Dorji cross the road? So, if we count, Dorji will cross the road in approximately 5 more steps. How many cups can be placed in a line on this table? After counting, we come to know that 4 to 5 more cups can be placed in a line on this table. How many pots can be placed to reach the tree branch? We can keep 4 more pots to reach the tree branch. How many shirts can be hanged on this wire? We can hang 3 more shirts on this wire. Now children, Open page number 48. Here we will learn how much is the centimeter. Look at the scale given at left side of the page. The scale has numbers 0 to 24 written on it. Therefore, it is a 24 centimeter scale. Children, always remember that while measuring on scale, start from 0. Let's solve the exercise given here. The matchstick is 4 centimeter long. Here, count the lines on the scale drawn below to count length of the matchstick. So, by counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we found that matchstick is 4 centimeter long. Similarly, the die has 1 centimeter length from every side. By counting the lines on scale, we come to know that lizard is 13 centimeter long. The leaf is dash centimeter long. Count on the scale which is placed above the leaf. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence, the leaf is 4 centimeter long. The wax color is dash centimeter long. Counting the same way from this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We get the answer that wax color is 7 centimeter long. Now look at the scale that you find in your geometry box. How many centimeter does it have? Yes, it is of 15 centimeter. Open page number 49. The small scale that you mostly use in school is like this one. Look at the things drawn near the scale and find out their lengths. The nail is of length 4 centimeter. The wooden piece is of length 3 centimeter long and the pins below are of length 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter respectively. What are the little lines on the scale used for? These lines are used for measuring the length between 1 centimeter, that is 10 millimeter. Below is one activity that you have to do for homework. Children, thank you for today's period.